DC-Greenworks was created to help restore the urban environment and improve our communities through hands-on training and education in green infrastructure practices. We help reduce the billions of gallons of untreated stormwater that run off into our waterways each year, carrying trash and pollutants. By building green roofs and rain gardens and installing rain barrels and cisterns, we keep more than 3 million gallons of polluted runoff from entering our rivers and streams each year. Partnering with community groups, government agencies, and other nonprofits, DC-Greenworks is expanding opportunities for local job creation and long-term sustainability of our city. DC-Greenworks imagines a society where the conservation and reuse of rainfall is an integral part of everyday life, improving health and well-being, and where supporting technologies combine to create green jobs, a vibrant ecosystem, and robust communities. Our current efforts increase awareness and build demand for green infrastructure through marketing, education, and demonstration projects. Each year, our numbers increase, and more people are aware of green infrastructure. Our mission is to lead the growth of a green industry, and as this industry grows and thrives, DC-Greenworks intends to use our knowledge to be leaders, advancing job training and placement opportunities, and uniting policy and partnerships. We promote the green infrastructure industry in the Washington, D.C. metro area. Our organization is well established and has long-standing ties in the community. Our expertise is recognized and widely sought, as shown by our participation on panels organized by groups like the EPA and the Smithsonian. As a nonprofit service provider, DC-Greenworks is able to offer green services to smaller businesses, residential clients, and in low-income areas. These target areas are not engaged by the private marketplace. These leverage points, as well as our effective relationships with local governments, allows us to influence policy and push for real change. DC-Greenworks follows a collaborative model. Many disciplines are required to achieve the vision we have for green jobs, a vibrant ecosystem, and robust communities. Therefore, we partner with the public, private, and nonprofit sector to reach our desired results. We operate holistically and apply integrated solutions to the challenges we face, and understand that only by addressing the many facets of our watershed issues will we be able to realize results that are balanced and sustainable. We utilize a number of quantitative measures to track our success. Such measures include number of green roofs, rain barrels and rain gardens installed, and percentage received by low-income areas. Additionally, we monitor the number of and diversity of partners actively engaged in policy partnerships and dialogue. To evaluate our impact in the community, we also look at the number of local people trained by DC-Greenworks and employed in green infrastructure-related businesses. Maintenance is a critical part of a sustainable green industry. To keep on top of this, we stay in touch with each client, providing ongoing guidance and support for maintenance and the proper functioning of their project. DC-Greenworks believes in learning by doing, and that's why we are in the field building and teaching others every day. Although our staff is quite visible, we are small in number. In order to increase our reach, we partner with others, adding our field training in construction and maintenance of green best management practices. As this new industry emerges, we are preparing a trained workforce to meet the growing demand. DC-Greenworks has been at the forefront of introducing green roof technologies and green infrastructure practices to the nation's capital. We built the first modern green roof in the city and helped craft the first green roof subsidy program. We piloted the first rain barrel program, and each year we are installing 1,000 new barrels. Through our training programs, a skilled workforce is filling the need for installation and maintenance services. The District of Columbia is leading the country in sustainable practices, and DC-Greenworks is a significant contributor to the city's success. Washington, D.C. is second only to Chicago in the U.S. in green roof coverage within the city limits. Even so, green roof demand is limited to new commercial and municipal construction, federal government projects, and higher-income residents. Furthermore, once green roofs, rain barrels, and other green infrastructure practices are installed, inadequate maintenance and stewardship limit restoration results. For centuries, we have washed the rainwater from our cities into our waterways. This is still the status quo. Capturing and cleaning rainwater through ecological means, allowing it to soak into the ground and recharge the water table, is healthier and more cost-effective. With additional resources, DC-Greenworks would grow our programs and capacity. Job training is a priority and has been underfunded for years. We would revive this area to meet the need for skilled personnel to maintain green roofs, rain gardens, and rainwater harvesting systems. We would also look to increase education and training of citizen stewards in our urban neighborhoods. DC-Greenworks looks to grow a vibrant commercial industry in green infrastructure. As this happens, we expect to shift our mission to a supportive role through training, policy, and advocacy on behalf of the businesses and entrepreneurs working in this new industry. In addition, DC-Greenworks would partner with others to develop financing models to make green infrastructure affordable for everyone.